Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Erica. If you're new here, I am working on becoming a minimalist. And in this video, I'm going to show you what laundry is like for a minimalist family of 5. I'm going to share with you my laundry routine and my 5 favorite things inside my laundry routine. And this is coming from someone who does not like laundry. I do not like laundry. I do not like folding it. I do not like turning it right side out. I don't like putting it away. I don't like any of the steps. In my laundry room, this is an unfinished laundry room. It is part of our utility closet. So back here, I've got my water heater heating system. You can see the exposed ceiling, circuit breaker, and then the table boxes and whatnot. So I did my best in this video here, the laundry organization, to make it a place I like coming into. And it helped. It absolutely helped. Having these cute baskets, situating my shelves, and making it so that I don't get depressed when I come in this room. Yeah, I made it a little bit pretty with what I had. I love my washer and my dryer. We bought those when we moved in. There wasn't a washer and dryer here. So we bought those when we moved in, and I do love these. I've just put in a load. Otherwise, I leave the door open on our front load washer to avoid mold and mildew buildup. I'll show you my 5 favorite things as I go through my laundry routine. Folded the load that was in there from before. Yes, I did it. It's actually like a habit I have now. 2 loads will fit into this basket. This basket is one of my favorite things. I got it from Target. I'll leave a link in the description. And it has long handles and short handles, and it just goes around the house with me. And I can easily put things away. I can throw some dirty in there and bring it back down. I can fit 2 folded loads in here. And so that I'm loving this. It was like $8 or something. And then this is a dirty. So I leave one here all the time that has dirty, and then this one travels around the house with me. This, I just brought the dirty down. So this is my hamper that goes at the top of the stairs. So it corrals laundry. And then this is the hamper for towels. I'm going to sign here. Dry, dirty towels. So that's the key. It has to be dry when it goes in here. I do wash things separately. I wash the microfiber towels separately, but I do store all dirty towels together. And then when I'm ready to do towels, I just pull out the ones that I'm doing for that particular load. So I wash the bath towels and the washcloths together, the kitchen towels, and then the microfiber towels are washed separately. My hampers are favorite laundry thing number 1. Favorite laundry thing number 2 is my lavender oil. And I put this on laundry favorite number 3, my wool balls. I put 1 drop and it lasts several loads. This stuff smells so good on the laundry. And I love it. All right, so that's 1, 2, and 3. Number 4 is this rack. It's a drying rack. It folds against the wall when it doesn't have things hanging on it. And it's perfect for me because it has space for 5 hangers to dry the clothes. And I put my clothes and my husband's clothes hang dry. I do a load of laundry every day just to stay on top of it, and it seems to keep us on, and it seems to work really well because I never really have more than 5 clothes to hang dry in a load, so it works well. My 5th favorite thing is my Oxy Clean. This stuff is powerful. I can spray this on something and just let it sit in the laundry until it's laundry time for that pile. This stuff works so well. It's gotten out wine, mud, grass, chocolate, marker. This thing is awesome. I just pre-treat with this. So as I put the laundry into the laundry basket, I just spray anything that needs to sit, and I just let it sit. Sometimes I scrub it in. If it's a real good stain, I'll rub it together and the fabric together to get it. But otherwise, that stuff is so good. It's like magic. Towels and any wet clothes have to be hung dry before I put them in here. But otherwise, it just sits here at the top of the steps and fills up. And then once it's filled up, it's actually 2 loads of laundry. When I have a full basket at the top of the stairs, a full basket in the laundry room, and a full towel basket, that's actually 6 loads of laundry that needs doing. Which is kind of where I'm at today. If you are facing right now an entire house that needs some attention on decluttering or living with less, I just put up a workbook on my website that will prioritize rooms for you and help you figure out where to start. It's not a workbook that's going to get you through every room. I'm working on individual workbooks for that, but it will help you know where to start based on how much time, how much clutter, what you rank your rooms as. So it's a self-guided workbook on how to figure out which rooms to start in decluttering. You can find that for free on my website. I'll put a link here for the latest video and a link here for the laundry room organization. If you like this video, give me a like below. And if you want to see more videos about living with less, click subscribe.